In this video, we are going to install Ubuntu operating system on VMware Workstation. In Google, search for Ubuntu download. See, this is the Ubuntu official website to download any Ubuntu software, either it's desktop server or IoT. Click on this link. See, we have server and desktop as well as alternate downloads, IoT, cloud, other things. But here we are going to download Ubuntu desktop. It's better to download LTS versions. Also, there is a latest version that is 18.10. So we are going to download this Ubuntu 18.04.1 LTS version. LTS stands for long-term support, which means 5 years until 2013 of free security and maintenance and updates are guaranteed. Ubuntu is open source operating system with no cost. You can download by clicking on this download button. See, notice here, down left corner, Windows, Ubuntu download has started. Go to downloads or click on here show all. I am in Google Chrome. Click on this show all. See, download has started. It will take time to complete download. I am pausing this video until Ubuntu operating system download completes. My download has completed successfully. Now open VMware Workstation. I am using VMware Workstation 12 Pro Edition. It's a licensed version. If you don't have VMware Workstation licensed version, then download VMware Workstation Player. Now we are going to create virtual machine and install Ubuntu operating system on that. We can create virtual machine by clicking on this create a new virtual machine or go to file, then select new virtual machine. Click on this new virtual machine. See, we have two type of configurations. One is typical and another one is custom. I am going with the typical one. See, we have to provide ISO file or operating system DVD. Then select this installer disk, or if you have ISO file, then select this one. If you want to install operating system later, then select this one. So now we have downloaded this image file, that is ISO file. Click on this one and now browse for ISO file which we have downloaded. See, this is the ISO file. Select it and open it. Now click on next. You have to provide full name R2 schools, or simply type Ubuntu 64. Use username as R2 schools. Use password as you like, and click on next. Remember this password for future uses. Click on next. Give the name for virtual machine Ubuntu 64-bit of the version 18.0.1. Provide the path to store virtual machine information. Here I am selecting. Here I am storing all virtual machines in separate folder. Then select it. This virtual machine related files will be stored in this path, and it will create another folder with this name. Click on next. Specify the hard disk size. Here I am giving 40 gigs. Click on next. Review the summary name of the virtual machine, location where this virtual machine files will be stored, version of VMware Workstation, operating system is Ubuntu 64, hard disk size is 40 GB. Here memory, that is RAM, it is 1 GB RAM. I am going to increase to 2 GB. It's recommended. Click on customize hardware. Here 1 GB is allocated for this operating system. I am going to change here 2048. It's a 2 GB. Or we can increase by moving this arrow to 2048. See, here also it got changed. Close it. If you want to change, if you want to add processors, or if you want any extra CD drive, network adapter, USB control like that, you can click on and you can add or remove like here. I am going to increase only RAM size. Click on close. See, now the memory size has been increased. Click on finish. Once we click on finish, this operating system will be installed automatically because we have selected power on this virtual machine after creation. I am going to finish. If we click on finish, installation will be started. Installation may take time to complete. I will pause the video until installation completes. See, installation has been completed successfully. After installation completes, virtual machine will be rebooted. After reboot, we will get this screen. Click on enter. Give the password. See, notice here, VMware tools also has been installed successfully. If VMware tools are not installed, then run the commands mentioned in the video description.